Hello. And we are going to show you how to get company coins and research points in the game Animal Company on VR. Let's go.
Yup. I'm drowning.
And if you don't have one of these two, well, go buy one or just go beg in servers. So the best way to get research points, the only way, is to mine those purple crystals. The really good way to get the company coins is to mine the gold ores. Mining these gold company coins, that's the same with the other one. I got stuck in the Armstrong cave. Alright. Well, most of the time, they're really good at the bottom. See, but I already mined down here. There's a lot. And
I hear Armstrong.
and if you want to get nuts, which is the money, then you can mine the iron ore and then sell it.
Is that the only way?
And that is how you get company coins and research points and nuts in Animal Company. So, bye!